अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। सबसे पहले तो हमारे मुल्क के लिए और हमारे मुल्क के लोगों के लिए बहुत सारी दुआएं हैं बेस्ड ऑन द रीसेंट डेवलपमेंट के पिछले 1-2 दिन में हुई हैं। दे आर क्वाइट अपसेटिंग। आई थिंक दे हैव ब्रॉट यूनिटी अमंग अस। they have made our faith even stronger in our religion, in our country, in our people, in our army. So coming to today's message, I get lots of inbox messages and everybody's asking सारे फैक्टर्स बता दें जिससे कैंसर होता है एंड टेल अस हाउ टू अवॉइड कैंसर. So I will just highlight one of the factors today, and it is one of the factors जो कि आप control नहीं कर सकते. So one of the biggest risk factor for cancer is aging. So as you age, your body becomes weaker and your immune system becomes weaker. So normally there is a routine turnover of cells that is going place in our body. So what happens is with aging that the cell turnover is the same, but the body's ability to, or the body's capacity to repair the cells is not as good as it was at a younger age. So generally at an age above 40, our body systems, they start becoming weaker. So there is no doubt in that कि कैंसर बच्चों में भी होता है, कैंसर यंग में भी होता है, कैंसर टीनेजर्स में भी होता है, लेकिन 60% ऑफ द कैंसर्स दे आर सीन इन एट एन एज विच इज़ above 50 years. So above 40, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि आपके सारे systems जो हैं they are weakened, your ability to destroy the abnormal cells that becomes reduced, and it's a natural process. We can't revert it, we can't undo it. It's natural process जो कि अल्लाह मियाँ ने हमारे सिस्टम में रखा है कि at a certain point of time हमारी बॉडी ने एज करना है और एज के साथ साथ these things they can develop. So we should know that in spite of the best possible lifestyle efforts, in spite of best possible food we eat, in spite of all the healthy measures that we take to protect our body, our aging is one of the factors that predisposes us to cancer, and we cannot actually change that. So all we can do is we can do screening test, for example early mammogram, PSA test, colonoscopy to find early cancers and treat them at a stage जिस पे वो cure हो जाए. So with aging we have to accept that one may have cancer, and we have to accept that there are screening tests which are there for early detection. So our focus should be on the screening test. So at some point हमें prevention help नहीं करती, because all the cancer which are related to aging वो prevent नहीं हो सकते. So we have to detect them early and we have to get them treated early.